Hey everybody, thanks for watching another video from the Super Chef Garage. Today will be a little test of my SJ4000 3.5mm microphone jack. So I'm actually using the SJCAM itself right now to record this. I've got the modification all done, and I'm using eBay condenser mic here. So it's not very good. It's actually a little tinny. Weirdly though, or strangely, it sounds pretty well from my cell phone through my headphone jack hooked up in the microphone. So anyway, when you do the SJ 3.5 or the China Sports Cam 3.5 mod, you're going to expect sound quality like this. I think it might sound a little tinny, and when I do the editing on my software, I have to turn the volume down by half because it's kind of sharp sounding. But compared to the little button mic that's in there, it's a lot better. So we'll give you a little run in the Supra and see where. So here's the audio quality you can expect. I'm just out in my Supra, windows up. I don't think it's really that bad. Like I said, it's probably better than the 3.5, or not 3.5, it's probably better than the little mic that's in there. I mean, if you don't want to go through the whole modification process of putting a 3.5mm jack in, you could probably just drill out the hole in front of the mic, and it'll take away some of that muffled sound that the mic picks up. But overall, I'm pleased with this modification, and I think it should bring a little bit better action videos to the channel. So, hope you found this video helpful. I'll be posting the actual video of how to do the mod when I'm finished editing it, and when I have the bandwidth to upload it properly. So, I've already tried to upload it, but it canceled. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for future content.